In this video, I want to explain what goal seek does for you and how to use it. So goal seek allows you to set a goal value. So you can set a goal value for a cell. Like in our example, they want us to reach 300. What does the value in another cell need to be in order to make this 300? So they're saying, what does the value in cell C7 need to be? That's right here. So let's say, for example, you were trying to figure out your average grades for the semester and you had one project left. You could say, you know, if in order for my final grade to be an A, a 90%, what would my final project need to be? You know, knowing all the different factors that you have that goes into that. So it's the same kind of idea. What does this need to be to make this 300? That's all you're asking. So goal seek is under the data category, and it is under what if analysis. So what if analysis is very common. That is, what if I do this? What if I do that? What will my numbers then be? So here's goal seek. Click on this. And since I'm already in cell C11, it's going to use that as my beginning point. So set cell C11 to 300 by changing cell, right? If I click in here and then I go out here, right, it's C7. Okay, notice that it put a $sign in front of the C and a $sign in front of the 7. That is called absolute cell reference. What that means is the column, right, the C column, will never change. The $sign in front of it says, I'm absolutely going to only look at the C column. The $sign in front of the 7 says that the 7 will never change. I am absolutely always going to look at row 7. So putting these two together means that I am absolutely always going to look at cell C7. Right? So you can have variations on this, right? This means that 7 changes, the row can change, but the column cannot change. And you'll see examples of that in the section on absolute versus relative cell referencing. Okay, so once you've entered this information in, click OK, and look at what's happening, right? So it landed on a value for C7. C7 has to be 414 in order for C11 to be equal to 300. So click OK, and that completes number 7 on your project.